is Vietnam the cheapest country in the world? Who knows? But I will show you my place where I live, where I stay. I have a hotel room or a guest house room for $13 US. 13. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, and I will show you where the entrance is. It's very funny. I'm going into a coffee shop. Yeah, here is my homestay. Yeah. Hi. So this is the name. So smile. Oh yeah. Yeah, so my room is almost on the top actually, so yeah, so look here. Yeah, but a really nice place actually. Yeah. So if you spend more than like $10 per night, you don't need to stay in a hostel. No, not in Vietnam. Ah, yeah. Whew. Here is my room. 303. Yeah. Yeah. Look. Oh. Wow. Now it's a little bit messy because I'm Oop. So yeah. Ooh. Yeah, so you have, what do you have here? You have a fridge. Nice and cold. I actually bought some thing. Oh, I love this one. And of course they have Wi-Fi here as well. And I think I will stay here for I booked for 2 nights, but maybe I will stay for longer. Yeah, a double bed. And here's all my stuff that I have with me actually. Yeah. And here's the bathroom. I'm doing some laundry. Yeah, you get a lot of toothbrush. Yeah. Oh yeah. Here's me, very warm. So I just arrived to Hanoi today from Stockholm actually. So it was a long journey, so I'm a little bit tired. So I think I just will show you the room. Yeah, so that's about it for this small video. But yeah, it's very, yeah, maybe Vietnam is the cheapest country in the world. At least the cheapest one, but then you get like a value for your money. Like you can go to other countries and pay like $10, but then you stay in like a crappy room. But this is like a proper room. Yeah, like with aircon. Yeah, and yeah, the most important thing maybe when you're traveling around is this one. Toilet paper. Yeah, you get 2 toilet paper. Yeah, so you can do the nasty thing. Yeah. So let's do Hanoi. Yeah, what will I do in Hanoi? I don't know yet. I'm here for a couple of days, so I think I just will film a lot of videos because I've been to Hanoi before. So I have been to Vietnam before, so I have done a lot of tourist traps here in Vietnam. But they are, yeah, it's Vietnam. Yeah, I like Vietnam. Yeah, the people are like, of course they want They want money from you, of course, but that is common all over the world. But yeah, maybe they are scamming me sometimes, but not today. Not today. I was eating a good meal for like 150, yeah, no, 145 dong. And what does it is that not much. It's like a few dollars, maybe $2 or $3. Oh yeah. So thank you everyone for this small video, and we will see each other from Hanoi when we are doing something crazy. No, not that crazy. I don't think we will do that much crazy thing here. Yeah, maybe go for a massage, buy some new clothes. Yeah, you name it. Yeah, and eat. We will eat a lot here in Hanoi. We will do a lot of food vlogs. Maybe this will be a food channel for the next couple of videos. Will be a lot of food, and then after that will be a lot of trains. But first, food. But thank you, and we will see each other from Hanoi. Peace out. Subscribe if you want, or unsubscribe if you don't want to follow me anymore. Yeah, but see you guys. See you in the next one.